Hi everyone, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I have a supply haul, kind of a tongue twister for me, from Tuesday morning. And so I'm going to have some things that I got for fall, some things for Christmas, and some things for general Bible journaling. And so I'm going to start with the general Bible journaling things. So this is what I got for general Bible journaling. So let's start off with this little stamper. It's from the Faith line with Carpe Diem. So it has all these awesome faith-related stamps. I love the Be Still and Know. The Pray, Pray, Pray I thought would be cute in my prayer journal. Same with the Amen. I really like those. That's a roller stamp that I got. Next, I love die cuts, and these ones are from Dear Lizzie. Comes with all these fun ones. I loved the deer and the camper and the teepee specifically, and the little house. And so I thought I could use this, like some of these I could use in my Christmas Bible journaling, but also year round. So I'm excited to play with those. Next, I found they were only 50 cents, this little alphabet stamp or alphabet sticker set, and it has a really pretty floral detail. I thought this would be pretty to use in my Take Root. It's my plant Bible journaling devotion kit, and I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. But I thought it would just match really well with that kit specifically. And then also with the roller date stamp, I thought this would go well with my prayer journaling kits. So I will put a link in the description to check those out in my Etsy store. I have two of them. There's one that's geared a little more towards children and one that's geared a little more towards adults. And then I found these really pretty colored Amy Tangerine Alpha stickers. And then the last thing I got when I was at the Bible journaling retreat in Georgia, my friend Bonte had these really pretty glimmer mists, and they are beautiful. I love anything sparkly and shiny, so I've mostly used the plain one and the blue one. And let me show you guys. Go right here. This background is using the blue one, and so you just spray it and it makes, that was bleed through from the other side, but it makes this really pretty shimmer. So these have been really fun. These are the most expensive thing. It was $10, but you get 5 different colors. So the next thing I got for fall Bible journaling is this big set from Echo Park Paper Co. And I can tell I've already cut some of it up. And so they're double-sided sets. And I used the back side of this in a YouTube video, actually, which I'll link below, to a collaboration with Allie Scraps with our 2 digital kits. Mine is called Dancing Leaves, and hers is called Seek His Timing. And I'll link those 2 kits below, too. So I used this with that YouTube video. My favorite thing, though, are journaling cards. And so I loved all these cute little sentiments. These are kind of like thick borders. That would be sweet in a Bible, down a Bible column, or along the top of a traveler's notebook page. This is my favorite set with the little journaling cards. Today is a fine fall day. Harvest, give thanks. Apples, pumpkins, acorns. Celebrating fall with you and the fox. That would be a perfect spot for a Bible verse. And so then the rest of them are just, oh, and there's a sticker set too. This is my other favorite part. I love the boots and the mason jars and pumpkin patch, little hedgehog, more cute mason jars. So I mostly get these sets for the journaling cards and stickers, but they also had a lot of fun patterns that I'm going to be using in my fall traveler's notebook that I'm making. And then lastly, I got a whole bunch of Christmas stuff. I have a really awesome Christmas project this year, and so I got this stamp set from Snow and Cocoa. You guys know I have a Hot Chocolate with Hillary Bible, or kind of more Christian lifestyle series on my YouTube channel, and I'll link that below to that playlist. So when I saw all these Snow and Cocoa and Hot Cocoa paper pads and stamp sets, I thought, oh my gosh, this is too perfect. And so my favorite thing is this little deer. Also has a little bird hiding under there. I'm not sure how cute. So you can see the little bird better. So adorable. It even has a little scarf. And then I loved the paper in this paper pack. It had more of the little deer, snowmen, adorable houses. I love a good A-frame house. And I loved how these are kind of more non-traditional Christmas colors. You could also, like, this isn't necessarily Christmas, so a lot of these you could use not just during Christmas time. And same with this paper pack. It was the same thing. I loved the mugs, Hot Chocolate with Hillary. Like that one you could use for, like some of these you can use not just in Christmas Bible journaling. This one I think was one of my favorites. I'm going to use this in my camping notebook. Wood grain. So I loved those two paper packs. At first I tried to tell myself, Hillary, you need to pick one. You can't have two. But I loved both of them, so I got both of them. And then this might be my favorite thing that I got. It's from Fa La La from Crate Paper. And I loved every single image on this page. I loved the tree on top of the car. The little houses are adorable. This joy in plaid. And all these little tags and the cute little tree. I think this is my favorite thing that I got when I was at Tuesday morning. And then last thing are, I love using die cuts, and so this is from American Crafts, and it has all these cute images. I loved this little star, the ornaments. I think I want to hang those like down from a page. The joy tag, and I love houses. I love houses. And so that is my some of my Tuesday morning haul. I got some other things, but I can't show you because they're for certain people for gifts that I'm doing. And so anyways, I hope that this was a fun little peek into my shopping, my Bible journaling supply shopping. I also wanted to encourage you guys to check out stores like Tuesday Morning for more affordable options for Bible journaling supplies, because a lot of this stuff is severely discounted and it used to be on scrapbook.com or Craft Warehouse or Michael's, and so it's way more affordable to wait a little bit and get it from Tuesday Morning. And so be sure to subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel and let me know in the comments below, where do you guys love to shop? Where are your favorite Bible journaling supply crafty places to go to? Because I would love to check out other places too that you guys like, and maybe if you would like to see more haul videos from what stores do you guys like to shop at, and would you like to see what I'm getting? So be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next Creative Faith YouTube video. Bye!